Guess what, everyone? I've just received a dog wheelchair from Winston Wheels charity. So I'm going to do an unboxing of the video, which is highly important. When you get the boxes, okay, you'll have your name and address, okay, and you'll have a barcode. And this is highly important, everyone. You do not throw away this box, okay? Highly important. If you read your contract for Winston Wheels, you'll need to keep this box. So in the box, you've got a barcode just down there, okay? And what that will do is, if you keep the box nice and safe, you can put the product straight back in and it can be posted back to Winston Wheels for Rachel, then to repost to another dog. So keep the box, do not throw it away, keep it safe, keep everything inside there safe, please. Right, so let's get into the unboxing. This is a quad dog wheelchair that has been given to me by Winston Wheels on donation, as long as I post videos and occasionally some photographs and some updates. So how to unbox. So I'm gonna take the wheel. This is the quad part of the wheelchair, by the way. So the box, okay, you could just take the wrapper off, fold it down, slide it underneath your bed and forget about it. And when you want to return it, it's straight there. So never throw the box away and never throw the packaging, okay? So how we would unpack the quad is by taking off the case, okay? We're going to keep this in the box, okay? So therefore we have the sets of wheels, okay? Can everyone see that? Okay, we're going to put that to one side just for a minute. So we're going to leave all that there, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go on to the second box. This is only if you've got a quad wheelchair. If you've just got the back leg wheelchair, this is the next part of the box I'm revealing. So we're going to take the box, undo it, and don't forget you want to keep the box, don't throw it away, okay? So it looks like the handle's broke on this one, so it might be a little bit tricky. So we'll turn it upside down, okay? That's it, okay? Remember the box, don't throw it away. Fold it down, put it underneath your bed or in the cupboard in the loft, whatever you want to do, but don't throw away this box, okay? We'll put that to one side. Okay, now we've got the dog wheelchair box. On the box, it has the instructions on the back. Okay, so on the front of this box, there's some lovely wording, and there you go, there's your wheelchair. Okay, on the top, okay, there's a blue, pink and green, and it'll have marked on there which products you've got, okay? So we're going to unbox this, and remember, I don't want you to throw this part of the box away either. You've got to keep all the original stuff, so when you pack it all away, you've got everything. So the next bit we're going to go into in the next video is how you unbox everything, measure your dog and put the dog wheelchair together. So thanks for watching, and my name's Ian, and I'll see you in the next video.